I want to show you the optimized version of my clothing rack, how I arrange my clothes and stuff. So here we go. Firstly, just a note that I do have innerwear, but I'm not going to show it in this video because we are supposed to go on a few dates before I'm able to show you that. So yeah. Firstly, I'm going to show you the top part. This is where I keep most of my main clothing and my towels here. This is my face towel and this is my bath towel. I only keep it here once they are dry, and that's the rule. Otherwise they might wet everything else here. And over here I have my shirts, my work clothes, and I can wear casuals at work, so that's great. So I keep them here. Work clothes, formal clothes, and all that stuff. And the heaviest jacket that I rarely wear, I keep it over here. It's my denim jacket. And then my pants go over here. And then this is for all my clothes, my overcoats, my overshirts, and anything that's used to add a second layer. So yeah, all the heaviest stuff on the corner, because as you know, this might get warped if we put the heavy stuff in between. So that's how we optimize that and increase the longevity of this rack. Then my belts are here, which are hard to use. Then we go to the lower section. This is usually where I keep the innerwear and stuff, but as you know, we gotta go on a few days before I show you that. So right now I'm keeping my shawl. It's never gonna get cold in Mumbai, so you don't need that. My workout socks, my mask, and this is my boxing wraps. Then I keep my on-the-go bag over here. This is my on-the-go. This is my on-the-go bag for if I want to travel or anything. So yeah, that's it. And these are my below is my home clothes and my sleeping clothes. So yeah. Then I keep socks over here. As you can see, there are 8 socks, one just in case. For each day of the week there's one, and they're arranged nicely, but trust me, it's not always like this according to color and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted it to be presentable, so I did this right now. Then over here is my shirts. These are my sleeping shirts, my home shirts, whatever you want to call them, because I just mostly come home to sleep. That's about it. I go out to work, I hang out with friends and stuff, so yeah, I barely need any home clothes. Then this is my workout track pants. It's on the edge. And this is an extra towel. This is also a travel towel. That's from Decathlon. And that's about it. I use this rack because it's highly optimizable. And best part is you can move it around. So when you want to clean the floor, you can move it out and then clean the floor, and not be like me, not clean the floor. I completely forgot about this. I'm going to show you the underneath of this. This is my dusty ass PS3. I keep most of the tech stuff that I don't use over here. My laptop that I barely use. PS3 that I use sometimes when friends come over. Extra keyboard, my tablet. This is my Wacom tablet. And yeah, that's it. And this dumbbell when I want to work out. So that's about it underneath this thing.